10 ways you can use English in your daily life. 1. Read English books. Start with suitable genres or children's books. 2. Listen to English podcasts and find ones that suit your interests. 3. Watch English shows. A variety of options is available online for free. 4. Join English-speaking communities online to practice speaking. 5. Start journaling in English to improve grammar and tenses. 6. Listen to English songs and sing along to improve pronunciation. 7. Watch English movies to observe spoken English in various contexts. 8. Watch English-speaking YouTubers or narrated videos for free learning resources. 9. Use online platforms like TED and Kurzgesagt for informative videos. 10. Interact with other learners of English through social media. Can you think of other tips? Share them in comments.